Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SME United again. Today is a third program. Yeah, my name is Alan, as usual. We have another topic about technology. Today, our program will talk about automation and zero automation. Yeah. So the main question in this whole presentation is: are humans replaced by robots one day? Wow, very serious, right? We're all jobless, and then everywhere we're robot. And when we watch the movie, a lot of time we see the robot, we do our job, and it's actually replace us. And is it true that one day it will happen? Oh, I'm not sure. But we will give you some hints, like under this advance in technology, we're using robot technology or machine learning. How does it relate to us? How does it relate to accounting? How does it relate to zero? Of course, I'm a zero partner, so that's why we want you to enjoy the same efficiency by using zero. Okay, so now we will start the program. Okay, so today is a zero plus automation. So presented by Cloud Consulting. This is our accreditation. SME United. So basically, we're promoting like SME to go digital to survive in this volatile and disruptive business world. So when we say automation related to accounting, so how does it work? Accounting is purely based on manual approach. Like we use all kind of paper, pencil, and then transfer the cash book, transfer the sales book and purchase book to the bank, a bank book, and do a bank rec, and then we transfer to P&L balance sheet. I tell you, it's very difficult to balance in the balance sheet. We do manually. So slowly we have computer. So a lot of company they develop their own in-house accounting software. They are not selling, huh? So that's why the next stage is like company build their own software and not for sales. Then later we heard the name like Microsoft, SAP, Oracle. Okay, they sell their ERP software for large company. There's a lot of SME need accounting software also. So that's why we have like Tally, like MIOB or QuickBooks. So they sell their software packages for SME, small business. Of course, until now we have cloud-based accounting, and there's a lot of SME enjoy this cloud technology and purchase the use of the software. RPA actually is a robot. You just input some business rules, import some defined activities, then the robot will learn according your request. And then they can perform process, activities, transaction, and tasks. And it can also work with a lot of unrelated software system and deliver a result. Oh my God, scary, right? Like human being also, I don't think human being can do this. So the food for thought is, will human be replaced by robot one day? I think that for me the answer is yes. It's just like in how many percent? 50%, 60%. A lot of big companies are using machine learning robot to simplify their accounting process. It is a fact. We cannot just pretend we don't know. It's really happening in a lot of MNC. Just like SME, maybe we don't use it. Okay, zero automation. So a little bit of a background of zero. Zero was found in New Zealand 2006. That means it's like around 13 to 14 years ago by Mr. Rod and Mr. Edwards. So they felt that the traditional desktop accounting software had been outdated. Wow, it's really a very good vision, something like in future, there's someone will replace the desktop accounting. That means it's like, I think one day the robot will replace human beings, something like that. So they start zero because they want to create a modern cloud-based product. So Zero is actually start from New Zealand, but is publicly listed in Australia Stock Exchange. So Zero offers a cloud-based accounting software platform for small and medium-sized business. So they target for SME. That's why this topic is very relating to SME. Xero has been rated as one of the top 10 accounting software in the world by Forbes 2016. One of the top 10 at Xero. And in 2019, Xero announced it hit 1.8 billion subscribers and employed 2,500 plus people around the world. It's not a small company. You can buy their share in Australia Stock Exchange. There's some news last year from September. Xero declared that they already acquire Hotdog. I think not Hotdog, Hotdog. You see, after 12 months after the acquisition of Hotdog, there are major advances in machine learning powered data extraction technology. I mean, Hotdog is already acquired by Xero. Xero is using this automation to improve the Xero software. Now I zoom in a bit. What is the major Xero automation features? I'm not going for details because like we're SME we're boss we're staff of the SME. We don't want a lot of details. We just want to have a highlight and then you have the feeling what is it, Today, the demonstration will include revenue cycle and expense claim. And for example, the revenue cycle. What's the automation involved? When you are quotation, they accept online acceptance by client. The client can really accept the code. Once the code is done, you can automatically just press a button and it convert to sales invoice. And then when you complete your services or you deliver your product, the customer can pay online. No need to go through to what menu check whatever. Usually it's PayPal. So once the money you're collected, it will automatically go to the bank and the bank feed will show that you collect how much. So simple, and then you can generate your account receivable report in balance sheet and the sales report in P&L. It's a lot of automation in revenue cycle. Purchase cycle is similar. When, let's say, you want to buy something from your supplier, so you issue them a purchase order, and they can accept online, and then after that, they deliver the goods, and then you pay online. And then all the payment in the bank will automatically have the bank feed to your bank statement in your Xero system, and then automatically go to accounts payable and purchase in P&L. So once you create a purchase order, everything will be automatically linked to different part of the accounting software. But as a boss, you may not understand this. You don't need to understand it because you just let us do the job. But as accountant, we know that it's so convenient when we create a code. Automatically everything go to the sales P&L balance sheet, and we create a purchase order. After that, everything will go to the P&L balance sheet. So convenient and so efficient. This is the power of software and the automated technology, because we're buying the use of the software. We no need to buy the software. That's why it's so easy for SME. Expenses claim. I will do a demonstration later on this. Like this is really. Can you imagine you have like you go a business trip, your staff, let's say you have 10 or 20 staff, everybody go and buy something, and they need to go and claim. Last time, oh my gosh, so the physical document you attach, and then manually submit, manually approve, manually so many manual document, and then you see how this kind of like receipt, the color will fade away, you know. After 1 or 2 years, you can't find the number at all. If you need auditor, the auditor will say, where's the number? I'm so sorry. How? I also don't know how. But with the Xero software, let's say you have 20 users, 20 employees. So because when you submit Xero, the user are unlimited. You can have 100 user. Then you create user, let's say 20 employees. So you create 20 users, and they can do the claim with their handphone and plus the receipt lah. Don't throw away only after you take a photo on it. So we purchase, take a photo of the receipt and upload to the system. I want to be repaid. Remember, I want to be repaid. Okay, if not, nobody will pay you back. Makes sense, right? So you wait for the approval. Your boss will also use the handphone to approve. Okay. Then once you approve, and then they do a payment for you, and then they will go to IR. Don't care, debitware, creditware, is all the computer will do for you. Okay. Later I will do a demonstration. Banking, like this is also one of the major features in Xero. So actually the bank feed is like they will feed to the bank statement. Let's say today you have 100 transactions in the bank. Tomorrow you will upload to your software already. Upload to your Xero software. So you no need to do manually and update it. Can you imagine the bank statement got so many transactions? Last time you have to enter it by yourself one by one, do something. It's so troublesome. Now every day they will auto fit to your Xero system. It's so easy for you to do the bank, right? So just now I mentioned, right? You have sales, money come in. You have purchase, money go out. Expense came, money go out. All this will go to the bank statement and then will auto fit. The chance of you to lose the data is very less because it's all auto transfer. Inventory, yeah. Every company you have some inventory one. You purchase, stock in. You sell, stock out. This Xero will do for you automatically when you do the setup. Okay. Auto tracking of the stock level. For example, you sell book. The books are actually minimum store is like minimum level is 20. So everything the stock level around 20 will hit 20. They will stop you to sell. They will ask you to buy some more. Then you sell. Inventory report for stock take. So when you do a stock take, it's simply just print out an inventory report and then do the stock take. They will tell you what is the actual balance of the inventory. Fixed asset, yeah, company buy property or what, people buy computer. So there's a lot of tax impacts, implication. So if you need any advice, please let me know because I also understand this kind of taxation efficiency. So when you purchase fixed asset, you set up depreciation yearly. So the system will ask you how many years, like let's say for example, computer, anything less than $3,000, you can straight away put 1 year. It's true, I'm not joking. You just put 1 year, and then the depreciation can put it is like a capital allowance. Multi-currency auto calculation. This is another like very major automation in Xero. Yeah, when you set up your let's say the setup is like you must tell Xero your company, the main currency is what, like Singapore dollars. For example, your company set up in Malaysia, so your dominant currency is Malaysian ringgit. In Hong Kong is Hong Kong dollars. From there, they will exchange according to your main currency. Like Singapore, most of my company are from Singapore. So when you set up, okay, my company, the dominant currency is Sing dollars. Then you put, also sometimes you have US, you have Hong Kong dollar, you have China. I tell you, you just add everything. So when the transaction there, they will calculate the exchange gain and loss automatically. So you have to set 7% of GST. Then after that, you have to choose exclusive or inclusive. What is exclusive? Meaning it's like, oh, you sell the product is $10. Exclusive means the $10 plus 7%. That this is the total sales amount. Inclusive means you sell $10, the GST is already included. So you need to know how to set up. That's why you need me as an advisor. I need to advise you how to set up the GST. If you don't set up, I tell you, all the mistakes there. You spend more time to clear the mistake than doing the accounting entries. So at the end of the day, you will print out quarterly the GST report to prepare the quarterly IRA submission. You may never use a software before, you never use Xero before, you may have a problem. What is it? I will showcase to you, make you very excited. Wow, automation is so good. Revenue means it's a start from quotation. You come to quote, okay? So let's say, a client need a quotation. They want to buy a book from me. So the company called Fulton Airport Parking. So I already input this customer name. So you get a quotation. I usually give 1 week only, not more than 1 week. Otherwise, your customer will ignore you. So I will put 7 days plus 7 to come out this. They cannot. Okay, 7 days. So basically, you already input all the items there. So this time I sell book, fish out of water. Okay, this is the book. I sell them maybe 3 books. So totally tax exclusive. That means this amount actually I sell is exclusive of the. Usually we will choose tax inclusive. So we sell $59. The tax is already inside 4.82. Okay, now you see. So I already create a code, and then you see, I will send to my customer. My customer is Alan Low. Of course, I just do a demo for you lah. So please send me a copy. So when I send, okay, done. So my customer is supposed to receive this quotation, and then in Xero is so good. You see, after you done this, they have all this kind of record. 17 April 2015, Alan Look create a quote to Fulton Airport Parking, amount $59, and then also the same day, 2:15 a.m. because it's US it's AM. The quotation is sent by Alan Look, and then the code is sent to the client already. Like this, all record. So let's say your company got hundreds of staff. That's why you can keep track who did what. Then you can know that there's no you have ensure that transparency and accountability, and your staff are not anyhow do the accounting. And I ask the client, I received an email. This is a quotation. Demo company sent to me 59.85 to buy 3 books. I think it's quite good, right? Okay, I look at it. Look at 2 choices. One is like you can open the PDF, or the code actually it's quite good. Outside sell 1 book like $80. Here like selling like only 3 books, only less than $60. I'm very happy. I want to buy. Okay, so how to buy? You cannot touch the PDF and say you accept. What you need to do is there's you see there's a link. Click the link. As a customer, I really want to buy it. So from the link, you can see that okay, fish out of water. They're selling you this book 3. 1 book is 18.34. Very happy. I want to buy. Comment is like good price. I say so good of the customer. So you accept the code. Accept. You just click accept. Why I don't accept? Okay, accept. Wow, very happy. Accept already. So when this, just now you create and send, right? So now you find there's already 2 more transactions to show that the code are viewed by your customer. Just now the client used a handphone view, and then he accepted the time. So everything is recorded and all the tracking. So when your client say, "Oh, I didn't view that, I didn't approve the quotation," then you just no. The computer already showed that it's already accepted. So the client cannot deny. So very good. It's about the code. Then you deliver the goods. After that done, then how? You mark it as accepted. Okay. Then you also then you see the screen. Then we tell you create invoice. You don't need to key this code as an invoice again. You know, you want to collect money from your client. You just create invoice, mark as invoice. So all the details are the same as quotation. So you just need to say when he need to pay you, plus 7 days lah. Okay, same 3 box fish out of water, Fullerton airport, and you make sure it's money, but this is a US company, this is a US dollars. You can anyhow change it. Otherwise, you have to change the dollars. Approve. After you approve, then you wait for your client to pay you. You wait for the statement. So after you pay, then you go to the bank. So easy. So you just do your business. Even to deliver the book, you don't need to deliver by yourself, right? You just use what Lalamove, you know. you so many move, you know, company to move your product. So you just like SingPost also lah, SingPost Center, whatever they will do for you, you know. You don't really like do your logistics. It's so easy. This is one of the automation of sales revenue cycle. So next one, I'm going to talk about expense claim. So it's under this expense claim. Now again, so let's say your company got 20 employees, including me. Like everybody can claim, right? Then what do? Is you just go to the setting, user. Of course, this is just a demo. You can create as many users as you want, and create user. You get so when you're 20, you just create 20 lor. You 15 is 15. Then you just let them have a basic authority. Cannot approve, cannot do anything. It's just a basic right of access. So after that you create it, and one day your client you want your staff to buy same line. Go to Takashimaya to buy books from Kino. So your staff go and buy and pay. He pay first. You can download a 0 apps and then use the app. You can have the desktop version, but this is the apps, so it's a simplified one, but it's more than enough. So when you buy a book, it's purchase, right? Purchase. You already pay, right? So you don't select bill, you add receive. You already pay. Bill is something you haven't buy yet. This is the receipt that you already buy. And again, remember, you want to be repay. Okay. So what is it for? Office supplies, book ma. Where did you pay? Buy this? I just put Kino. It's a new name. Spend today, yes. How did you pay? You can. I want to be repaid, or you already paid by a company card, or you already paid by PayPal. So now you choose I want to be repaid because you want to pay back by your boss. If you buy a book on behalf of the company, you want to be repaid. So you have to enter the accounting entries, office supplies, office expenses how much? Okay, so sorry I show you. I take a photo on the receipt first. Okay, then I use a photo and upload. So the amount is 51.84. When it's done, you add. You can use save, you can use submit and approve. Of course, you are a staff. How can you approve your submission? You cannot approve your own claim, right? So I just save or submit. Submit is waiting for approval. Save is like not even waiting for approve. So I put save first because it's for demo only to show you all this. Then they will show you all expenses. There's one draft, Keynote 5184. This is the one. From there, your boss will approve for you. Then you will get the reimbursement. Interesting, right? Okay, robot can replace us or not? Do we have job in future? Or what? So what should we do when more robot or more machine learning? Of course, I will suggest you to use Zero. The only way is to control the robot. Robotic process automation. What's the impact on individuals? Of course, you will get better quality job and work accuracy from the robot. The robot do for you, You will save the accountant's time. The robot do your job, so you have more time to do other thing, Change of tasks and rules. Yeah, your roles are changed. You are no more doing the robot repeating job. So you are doing high level, maybe analyzing the financial statement, this sort of job. What happened is like one day the robot also know how to analyze the report. So you are very reluctant to change the work process, right? Because you really difficult to accept this and then you reject it. Technology create fears of works and less job opportunity. You like it or you don't like it, the job opportunity will be reduced. RPA impact of business. If you are the boss at SME, you're happier because you just subscribe Zero, you have automated accounting software. So what you need to do is like you just need a plan to implement this automation because many your staff don't like it. So you need to proactively plan it. You need the support from the management and the IT because at the end of the day, the more relevant people to control the robot or control the automation is IT people and the head of the accountant, something like that. You need them to support you to have this automation. And you need more skilled workers, IT technology and analytics. Of course, like your staff say, hey boss, I don't work on weekend, I only work like from 9 to 5. Oh, sorry, when you once you subscribe Zero, work at any time. So we're bear with it lah. When we become a staff of a company, you get a job. One day you get a job. It's a great deal. It's a big deal. When we had a job. Don't be calculative and say, oh yeah, I cannot work a weekend. I only work from 9 to 5. Then you know that, okay, you will lose your job to the robots. So work at any time, and then reduce number of worker. It is a fact. No matter how, as an employee, your boss say, don't worry, but it will reduce number of workers. But actually, don't worry. Let's say you have 10 employees. After the automation, you need 20 people, but you just don't employ. You just use the same 10 people. So that means your workers are reduced. Okay, improve quality of decision making. This is one of the things this is one of the major factor you need to use automation like Xero like that, because they already automated the basic and repeat job and task for you, and they analyze the data, and you have a dashboard to know what's your cash flow, how much your customer owe you, how much you owe the suppliers, you have bank and money in the bank or not, you're earning money or you have negative equity. Those kind of things, analyzing everything we show you in your handphone. So the automation actually help your boss a lot. So machine learning is getting more and more popular. It's true. One of my god sister actually, she actually worked for MNC, and she is a SAP consultant, and she said that the company is already like 2 years ago, they already have the machine learning. The machine of learning how to do the routine works. So you see, the world will they will tell you that, oh, I have robots, so I will get less workers. Won't. So for you to get job is to learn how to use the automated system like Xero. So the question is, will robots replace human job in accounting, auditing, banking one day? You ask me, the answer is yes, but only how many percent? 50%, 60%, or 100%? I don't think so, 100%. And then another trend is like, due to the cloud technology, there's a high demand of SME for cloud accounting software and advisor. Okay. So the SME also need efficiency, like, okay, I want Xero, but that's why the SME boss, I need Xero advisor like me. Real-time reporting is I don't need to explain more, because you log in the system, you click, you will know all your report on real time, provided your staff updated all the data. Okay, interesting research about Xero. So actually there's a research satisfaction with Xero. So there's a research on 122 users in accounting firms SME in Auckland, it means New Zealand. So they are asked, are you happy and satisfied with Xero? And actually, like, the result is 96.7% of respondent of this 122 user, they are either find good and excellent with Xero. So it's a good news, meaning actually most of the people in this research are happy with Xero, and they find Xero is effective. So it's a very good reference to Xero. I also using Xero for more than 5 years. 2014 I start to use it. Until now I don't find any problem. I'm a business partner. I also have a consultant from Xero. He's very good. Sometimes his boss also like say hello to us. So I like the culture of Xero, and then we get training, free training. If you want me to help, and then I can send you to training. I can train you also. So I hope you enjoy the training for this. Okay, if you have any question, please drop me an email or just leave a message to me. You can visit our website cloudconsulting.com. I hope you enjoyed it. Although COVID-19 is getting serious, I will promise I will carry on do more relevant and useful training for you. So as an SME, now is a time for you to really consolidate your business, to engage your customer at home. Don't go out. It is illegal. So just engage your customer, and so once COVID-19 is over, we get rid of it, and then we just start to do business. Jose, any schedule for other topic?
The next topic will be next Friday on tax planning for individual and company.
Oh yeah, tax planning. Don't worry, because yes, because IRA say that they will extend the tax filing time. It's supposed to be like 18, right? It's supposed to today, right? Wow. Today is what? 17. I suppose the deadline is tomorrow, but they extend 1 more month. So next week, I'll give you some hints. Especially you are SME boss. How do you do the tax together with your personal tax? You can combine it and make it more efficient. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Bye.